Welcome back, everybody. So the nice folks at Dimora reached out to me and will know whether I wanted to do a review video on their silicone foam dressings. And I have used these before and they've worked awesome. And for those that work out in their wood lots and garages, workshops, or out hiking or in sporting events, you know that those old-time Band-Aids that one size fits all injuries and stuff, and well, it's simply just not the case. And this is a 10 individual pack, and we're going to open this up and we're going to show you what it looks like in here. But this is an awesome product, and it absorbs moderate to heavy drainage. All right, let's read the back of the package here. And silicone foam dressing with border improves absorption, retention by the combination of a foam and super absorbent layer. It absorbs exit through the silicone perforations from the wound and provides a moist wound healing environment. The silicone wound contact layer reduces pain and trauma during the dressing stages and enhances the patient's comfort. The waterproof outer layer protects the wound from dirt and bacteria, and it gives a nice demonstration instruction set of how to use it and stuff like that. Anyway, let's open this up and we'll show it to you. All right. Here is your silicone foam dressing package. It's got a neat little ruler here in inches and centimeters and everything like that. It's a 4x4, 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter one piece in here. So, and there it is on the back side. Got a nice border. You can tell it's very absorbent. And like I said, you know, if you're like me, you're out here on your working your wood, or you're in your workshop, or anything like that, things can happen. You're out for a hike, camping, traveling, you know. So this will be an excellent thing, and they include a little instruction set in there and guidelines and stuff, and we'll put the appropriate links up in there. And like I said, I have used this product before, and we still had some in there from a buy a while back, and I have been impressed with it. Once again, there's your ruler. Nice instruction set. So we'll include all the information in our description, and like I said, this worked great. Highly recommended. And we'll take a look at it one more time. There you go. Alright, Dimora, appreciate it so much. I think everybody would definitely find this a great addition to their kit, whether it's at home, traveling, sporting events, working in your shops and stuff. So, alright, everybody, take care. And we'll pack it back up here. And put the instructions back in it. And as their box says here on the end, enjoy a healthy life. Alright, sounds great. Alright, everybody, y'all have a great day.